You know, I woke up today with a serious craving for fresh fish tacos, but not the store-bought kind. No, I'm talking straight through the ice, catch-it-yourself Montana perch tacos. So grab your gear and ride along. Let's earn this meal the hard way. Rolling deep in my Honda sardine can packed tighter than a gas station burrito. I don't know how I fit all my gear in here, but hey, when the fish call, you answer, even if your trunk cries a little bit. Quick stop at Zimmer Tackle, small town shop, big time vibes, man. I love this place. It smells like bait and childhood memories, you know. Support your local legends, folks. The ice, questionable. The temperature, somewhere between. I can see my breath and my soul just froze, but we're not here for comfort. We're here for glory and tacos, damn it. And just like that, boom, Zimmer himself shows us how it's done. This man could catch a fish in a pothole, people. I'm telling you, take notes. I'm walking like I owe the ice money, hoping it doesn't collect all at once, you know? Every step is a gamble, every crack a threat, every gust of wind a slap from Mother Nature saying, go home! But I won't, because I believe in fishing, freedom, and a hot pan full of promise, you know? Alright, so this is the part in the horror movie where I die. Well, a few hours of standing still like a confused snowman, the magic happens. The subtle twitch on the line, you know, it's dinner calling, and she brought friends. Why, yes, I am the Gordon Ramsay of the lake. 1 perch, 2 perch, red perch, blue, you get it. I filleted the perch with the precision of a sushi chef who's late for lunch, you know, look at that. Clean cuts, no drama, it's great. Alright, so this batter's super easy. It's just 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of starch. Yeah, pretty simple, huh? Alright, this part's very important. You gotta have the teaspoon of salt and don't forget the teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, it makes it fluff up a little bit. Keep it simple, stupid, on this one. I mean, it's just, like I said, a cup of water to add to it, and Bob's your uncle, you know, bada bing. What you got yourself here is the perfect fish batter. Alright, now let's mix together the white sauce. This is actually the best part. You put about 2 cups, let's say 1.5 cups of mayonnaise in a bowl. I'll throw about 1/2 cup of sour cream. One lime, properly squeezed. Does anybody else want a margarita right now? And then we add some of this hot cayenne. This is the stuff they call the aw shit from Big Cock Ranch. I love this stuff. Mix it all up. Boom, there you go. Your white sauce is ready. Put it in the fridge. Now let's get some oil going for the fish. Get it just deep enough for them to take a bath, you know? Into the pan they go. Sizzle level satisfying. This is the part where your neighbors start sniffing the air and thinking about suddenly becoming friends, you know? Mm-hmm. You can almost smell it. Smell that? That's what success smells like. Hell yeah! Perfect golden brown. You're going in my belly. Alright, let's get the assembly done here. Tortilla. Check. Fish. Check. Ooh, a little bit of that white sauce made. Some of that crema, you know? Check. Gotta toss in some roughage of some kind here. Oh wait, no, hold on. A copious amount of cheese. Now the roughage, a little bit of shredded cabbage. I just get the coleslaw mix from the store. Toss on some salsa. Squirt of a verde. Boom! You got yourself Montana perch tacos. Hotter than a campfire crush. So let's review. I risked hypothermia, bonded with a fish, survived the world's most passive-aggressive ice, and came home with a dinner that slaps. That, my friends, is what we call successful Montana Day. Still can't feel my toes, though. Hey adventurers, do you love the outdoors? Love staying up to date on the latest news and viral trends? Then you're in the right place. On this channel, we bring you daily trending news, wild stories, and everything you need to stay in the know. So if you're all about adventure, laughs, and staying up to date, hit the subscribe button, join the crew, and let's make every day an adventure.